Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting your Swift BT 2025 connected is incredibly straightforward, and this guide makes it even easier. We will show you exactly how to pair it with your device in just moments. Forget the frustration of complicated setups. Our step-by-step instructions ensure a perfect connection every single time. You will be enjoying seamless wireless freedom from your Swift BT 2025 before you know it. It is truly that simple to get started today. Before we dive into pairing, let's quickly prepare your Swift BT 2025 for a successful connection. First, please make sure your device is fully charged. A good charge prevents unexpected disconnections during setup. Next, confirm that Bluetooth is activated on the device you want to connect it to, such as your smartphone or laptop. These simple steps lay the groundwork for a smooth and uninterrupted pairing experience. Now, it's time to put your Swift BT 2025 into its pairing mode. Typically, this involves pressing and holding the power or dedicated Bluetooth button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see an indicator light flashing rapidly. This light signals it is ready to be discovered. At the same time, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone or computer and begin scanning for new devices. Once your Swift BT 2025 appears in the list of available devices on your screen, simply tap or click on its name to initiate the connection. You might see a confirmation prompt. Accept it to proceed. The blinking indicator light on your Swift BT 2025 should then change to a solid, steady glow, indicating a successful pairing. You are now officially connected and ready to go. Should you run into any connection issues, don't worry. A quick restart of both your Swift BT 2025 and the connecting device often resolves most problems. Then, simply repeat the pairing steps from the beginning. Also, ensure your Swift BT 2025 isn't already trying to connect to a different nearby device. Now that you're connected, enjoy your Swift BT 2025. And remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.